My name is David Levin. I own Citizen Hound dog walking and dog training in San Francisco, California. You may think that teaching sit starts with saying sit over and over again, but actually the better strategy would be to reserve that word until you can match it with the behavior that's already being performed. To teach a dog how to sit, waft a treat in front of their nose, and then move the treat up and over their head so that their face tips backward, sending their butt to the ground. Mark the behavior as correct the moment that their butt hits the floor, and then give them the treat. When you notice that the dog is anticipating what behavior you're about to lure them into, you can start using the word sit. If the dog isn't following your lure far enough back to cause the sit, consider doing something a little bit easier where they might be rewarded for simply following your hand. Patience is key. Allow the dog to understand what works and what doesn't on their own. The consequence for not sitting is not receiving the treat. There's no need to repeat the command over and over again verbally. Most of the time, giving them time to think things through is more appropriate.